welcome to 5-5 day 2, complex numbers and complex conjugates coming at you. So today we're looking at what makes up a complex number and what is a complex conjugate. So we want to start off by asking ourselves what is, scrolling too far here, what is a complex number? A complex number is a number that can be written in the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers and I is equal to -1. So every complex number has a real part, a, and an imaginary part, b. So you can see right here that this real part is a, and that the imaginary part is the bi part. And you can remember that I equals the square root of -1. Is what we learned in the last lesson. So I want us to take a look at this handy dandy chart that talks about real numbers and imaginary numbers, and what I want you to notice is the different examples of complex numbers. These three right here. So what we want to do is find the values of x and y that make the equation true. So right now we have 3x minus 5i equals 6 minus 10y times I. So first of all, I want to identify which part are the real numbers and which part are the imaginary numbers. So the real numbers are 3x and 6, and the imaginary parts are -5i and -10y times I. All we do is set these parts equal to each other. So we have 3x equals 6. And we also have that -5i equals -10yi, 10yi, pardon me. So let's solve the one on the left first. You divide by 3. X is equal to 2. Over here it's a little bit trickier, but I'm going to divide by -10i. We have that y is equal to 1/2. I'll do another one with you. So again, we identify our real parts. Then we go through and identify the imaginary parts. And we're going to set them equal to each other. So we have -8 equals 5x. And then we have -6yi equals -I times the square root of 6. Now what we're going to do is we are going to start off with the one on the left. We're going to divide by -8. Divide by -8. So we have that 5 over pardon me, we're going to not do that. We are going to divide each side by 5 so that we can get x by itself. 5, 5, so really what we have, instead of -8, we're going to have -8 divided by 5. So x is equal to -8 over 5. And our next one, so we're solving for y, so we're going to divide by -6i. Divide by -6i. So we have that y is equal to the square root of 6 over 6.